Hey there, adventurers. Ready to take your camping game to the next level? In today's video, we're diving into the coolest, most innovative camping gadgets that you absolutely must see. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, these gadgets are designed to make your outdoor experience more comfortable, efficient, and fun. From high-tech tents to portable power stations, we've got something for everyone. So grab your gear and let's explore the future of camping together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in camping tech. Let's get started. Number 1. Mars Players The One. Imagine you're on an epic camping adventure with all the comforts of home. The One by Mars Players is your ultimate outdoor gear companion. This all-in-one marvel includes a portable kitchen for gourmet meals, a far-infrared heater to keep you warm, and an ultrasonic insect repellent to keep bugs away. It also features foldable decks for stable cooking, a cooling coil for chilled drinks, and built-in pendant lights to illuminate your campsite. Plus, it comes with a fully loaded emergency toolkit, complete with a compass and survival whistle. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie, the One makes outdoor adventures fun, convenient, and comfortable. Number 2. FlexTail Evo Icer. The FlexTail Evo Icer is a portable, battery-powered ice maker designed for outdoor enthusiasts and party lovers. It produces 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes, ensuring you always have a steady supply of ice. With its sleek and lightweight design, it's easy to carry and looks great in any setting. The long-lasting battery provides up to 3 hours of continuous ice making on a single charge. User-friendly controls make it simple to operate, and its rapid ice-making capabilities mean you'll never run out of ice-cold drinks. Perfect for camping trips, beach days, and backyard barbecues, the Evo Icer is your ultimate companion for keeping cool and being the life of the party. Number 3. Rhino Wolf 3.0. The Rhino Wolf 3.0 is a versatile, modular sleeping system perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, combining a tent, sleeping bag, mattress, and a new cot for added comfort. Its modular design allows multiple units to connect, creating larger sleeping spaces for group camping. Made with durable, weather-resistant materials, it ensures you stay dry and comfortable in various conditions. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to pack and carry, making it ideal for backpacking. With its integrated sleeping bag, mattress, and cot, the Rhino Wolf 3.0 offers the comforts of home in the great outdoors, making it the ultimate companion for solo adventurers and group campers alike. Number 4. Olife Beamwalk T3 Lighted Trekking Pole. Imagine trekking through the wilderness with the Olife Beamwalk T3 Lighted Trekking Pole, your ultimate adventure buddy. This isn't just any trekking pole, it's a beacon of innovation and fun. Picture this. As the sun sets and darkness creeps in, your Beamwalk T3 lights up the trail with its 360-degree LED lighting, making you feel like the star of your own nighttime adventure movie. With a max output of 120 lumens and a battery life of up to 30 hours, you'll never be left in the dark. It's ultralight and retractable, perfect for those spontaneous mountain hikes or camping trips. Plus, its IPX6 waterproof rating means it can handle rain, mud, and even the occasional splash from a mountain stream. The dual-color Sobe LED lights not only guide your way, but also add a touch of magic to your journey. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a weekend warrior, the Beamwalk T3 is your trusty sidekick, ready to illuminate every step of your adventure. Number 5. Auspit Silver Rotisserie. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Auspit Silver Rotisserie. Imagine this. You're out in the wild, surrounded by nature, and you've got a perfectly roasted meal spinning over the fire. The Auspit Silver Rotisserie is your secret weapon for delicious, evenly cooked meat every time. This portable marvel can handle up to 8 kilograms of meat, making it perfect for big family gatherings or camping trips with friends. It's battery operated, so there's no need to worry about finding an outlet in the middle of nowhere. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the unique design lets you swing your food away from the fire to carve, adjust, or baste with ease. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor chef or just love the idea of cooking under the stars, the Auspit Silver Rotisserie turns every meal into a culinary adventure. So, gather your friends, light up the fire, and let the Auspit Silver Rotisserie take your outdoor feast to the next level. Number 6. Joule Kettle Pot. Meet the Joule Kettle Pot, your new best friend for outdoor adventures and cozy indoor moments. This compact, versatile, and electrically powered marvel is like having a personal chef on the go. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee or enjoying a hot bowl of soup under the stars. With the Joule Kettle Pot, you can boil water in just 5 minutes thanks to its powerful 500-watt output. It's perfect for car camping, RV trips, or even a quick getaway to the mountains. The Joule Kettle Pot is made from durable stainless steel and high-strength, heat-resistant plastic, ensuring it can withstand any adventure. Plus, it features 3 preset modes for drinks, meals, and snacks, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're simmering a stew, making popcorn, or just boiling water, the Joule Kettle Pot has got you covered. So pack your bags, hit the road, and let the Joule Kettle Pot add a touch of culinary magic to your travels. Number 7. Joulka Hot Tub. Imagine soaking in the Joulka Hot Tub, your portable oasis of relaxation. This isn't just any hot tub, it's a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Picture this. After a long day of hiking or exploring, you inflate your hot tub in just a couple of minutes and fill it with hot water in less than 2 hours. Made from durable, UV-proof PVC, it's as tough as a stand-up paddleboard, ensuring it can handle any adventure. The hot tub is spacious enough for 2 adults to stretch out comfortably, making it perfect for a romantic evening under the stars or a fun soak with a friend. With its recirculation feature, the water stays hot and the insulated cover keeps it warm for days. Whether you're at a campsite, by a creek, or in your backyard, the hot tub transforms any location into a luxurious spa. So grab your favorite drink, sink into the warm water, and let the Joulka Hot Tub melt your stress away. Number 8. Klymit Hydro Spray Pump. Meet the Klymit Hydro Spray Pump, your ultimate adventure companion for staying clean and refreshed in the great outdoors. Imagine turning any lake, river, or stream into a pressurized shower system with just the flip of a switch. This compact powerhouse delivers a steady 35 psi of water pressure, perfect for rinsing off after a muddy hike, washing dishes at your campsite, or even giving your gear a quick clean. Powered by a 12-volt plug or battery terminals, it's ready for any situation, whether you're camping, boating, or overlanding. The Hydro Spray Pump comes in a rugged, weatherproof case, making it easy to transport and store. With its inline filter, you can safely use water from natural sources without worrying about debris. So, pack your Hydro Spray Pump, hit the trails, and enjoy the luxury of a hot shower wherever your adventures take you. Number 9. Audison E-Wagon. Introducing the Audison E-Wagon, the world's first electric utility wagon that's here to revolutionize your outdoor adventures. Imagine effortlessly gliding over any terrain with powerful in-wheel motors and a long-lasting battery. Whether you're hauling camping gear, sports equipment, or gardening supplies, the E-Wagon makes it feel like a breeze. With its smart control algorithms, it adapts to your movement, conquering every incline with ease. The rugged, all-terrain wheels ensure a smooth ride even on the toughest paths. Plus, the detachable battery means you can easily swap it out for extended use. Perfect for professional settings or weekend getaways, the E-Wagon can carry up to 200 pounds, making it your go-to solution for heavy-duty tasks. So load up your gear, hit the trails, and let the Audison E-Wagon take the strain out of your adventure. Number 10. EcoX Gear Sound Extreme. Picture yourself on an epic adventure, whether you're tearing through rugged trails or gliding across tranquil waters. The EcoX Gear Sound Extreme is your ultimate companion, ready to amplify the fun with its 500 watts of power and marine-grade speakers. This soundbar is built to withstand the elements, being 100% waterproof, dustproof, and dirtproof. So there's no need to worry about rain or dust storms ruining your vibe. With the EcoCast feature, you can link up to 50 Sound Extreme units, creating a symphony of sound that follows you everywhere. It's like having your own mobile concert. And when the sun sets, the integrated LED lighting system adds a splash of color and visibility, turning your adventure into a nighttime party. Whether you're jamming to your favorite tunes or lighting up the night, the EcoX Gear Sound Extreme ensures every moment is unforgettable.